guys, this is about the Roland RD-300NX keyboard piano, and it's pretty heavy. So this is not a portable, any kind of portable keyboard, but of course you can put it in a hard case on wheels and you can move it around, but it's not as mobile as those 61 keys. So we have 7 octaves on this computer, on this keyboard, I'm sorry. And today we'll talk mainly about the knobs on the left hand side with the piano sound. So let me do the exit. And this keyboard caught my sight when we were in Japan, when we were doing our honeymoon trip, and I felt that the touch and the sound of it were pretty authentic to me. So in terms of piano sound, it can be really complicated because it really depends on personal preference, and this is how it sounds like. So that's a simple kind of demonstration. And so that's the attack, and when you do fast sounds, how it sounds like. So and regarding the lower sound, so those settings are mainly my regular setting. So I just turn my reverb on, the low. So usually my student, when I'm teaching, I'll just put all the knobs to 12 o'clock, okay? And I ask them not to touch it. So it will sound like this, pretty flat, regular sound, okay? But when I was practicing, or I just want to enjoy some meditation time, I just turn it slightly to 1 o'clock or even 2 o'clock, okay? And well, normally I just prefer a less impactful high notes because I'm pretty sensitive to the range. And lower sound, I might want a more secure lower sound. So when I go further down, and of course, the quality of sound depends on what kind of speaker you use. So I use this kind of speaker. So the keyboard doesn't come with the speaker, okay? So for details I can show you more about, and if you wish to know, you can give me a comment if you wish to know. And yeah, and regarding the higher end sound, the sounds of the higher end, as you've noticed, it can be a bit too impactful or too crisp on the top. So usually I would just reduce it, unless so I just, yeah, usually I play and I just tune it through my paces, and yeah, so normally I just do it 12 o'clock, okay? But sometimes I think some male students would like to reduce the higher note. They're pretty sensitive to the higher notes. I'm not sure whether it's teenage students might have a special wiring in their brain, or yeah, there's the norm, pretty much the norm. Like 3 out of 4 students might be not very comfortable with higher pitch. So okay, and so this video is mainly about trying the knobs. If you're thinking of buying this or buying second hand of this keyboard piano. And the second thing I can talk about is the piano setting. So they have around 10, 12 kinds of piano sound. So this one is the concert grand, and some students prefer the bright concert. Crisp, it's more bright, and the tonality is compared with this is soft. So most of my students rather use the bright concert, especially they're playing the trill. And the verses, it's more sticky in a sense. Okay, and some will try the mellow. It almost sounds like there's something in between, like it's muffled or something. So it's not as, so honky tonk is the older generation kind of sound. Narrow stereo grand. It's sweet, but it's not as authentic as the grand. That's my personal opinion. Well, so this really came out, and okay, so that might not be a good one for me in the setting, but well, in a band setting, that might serve the purpose. So mono is not as three-dimensional in terms of experience, and this means the grand with the string. So you can you have 2 layers, and you can control the extent of the string with your paddle, and that's then the difference with choir pad. This is the ooh sound, and the string is a more elongated sound. And with the bass, especially with the split function on, when it's off, it's still grand sound. Okay, so when so you can enact 2 instruments encountering each other with that sound. So that's 10. So I think one bank, that's 10 sound, and that's in the preset mode. So well, when we have chance, we can explore more on the other sound and the user mode. So today we'll talk about the piano sound in the RD-300NX Roland, and talk and introduce briefly on the Equalizer. And I hope you have a good time, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and give me comments or ask questions, and I try my best to answer them if I can. So you all have a good day. Bye.